Just got called out to come look at this Impala that somebody already started. They done scratched this boy car up, whoever the hell did it. I'm finna find out who did it. Give me a second, cause I'm damn sure finna put them on blast, whoever did it. Look at all them damn deep scratches. Look at that. They don't know what the hell they doing. And I gotta go fix they fuck ups. It's all good. Look at them scratches. They don't know what the hell they doing. And look, just so you know, if you start sanding a car and you going one direction, you need to stay that direction.